as we start with the end in mind. It's a moment for us to embrace new opportunities and move forward together. In closing, let's join hands to make this organization grow. Always remember, we are here for you. We've got your back. Just give us your full commitment, and together we can achieve great things. Congratulations to the Q Group of companies, and let's take this journey ahead with confidence. Thank you and good afternoon.
Q Group of companies. Now comes one of the most awaited highlights of this event. So it is the official unveiling of the new Q Group of companies logo. This new symbol marks a fresh chapter in our journey, representing not just change in design, but growth in vision, service, and unity. Let us now witness the unveiling, followed by explanation of its significance and design process by no other than Mr. Chandimar Batoy. A round of applause.
So together, hindi kay sila rin mag-grow. We will grow together. Kay mayo panudanan sa itong kumpanya, mayo sa dagdagan sa inyong kinitaan. Sakto ba? Hands up ang nakadawat o service fee of incentive. And with that, can you move to the next slide?
Your minds, get set, I go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye!
Clap it! Clap it! Hooray! Everybody say Q! Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. We have just changed our name from We Group of Companies to Q Group of Companies. Congratulations to the Q family. At handa na sa masipang pakpak. Sa mga kaigsunan, kung maabot ka pinilihan, pilihan ang Q.